He said, I'm going. Alright. No, he said this way. Oh.
You want to go in this way?
Yeah, he's stuck. This is not supposed to be here. Here.
Can you go down the step?
Yeah, he would.
Good job, Scooter.
And he usually likes to go somewhere.
He has his own path.
They all have.